Hi, my name is Norman. Welcome to our farm. Today I will be introducing some of the automated poultry equipment system from Pristine Glory. First, we will start with the feed transportation system. Beside me is a 16.8-ton silo. The silo is made out of corrosive resistant GI and also fully sealed for weatherproofing. The silo is where we store our daily feed for the consumption of the broilers. Next, on our feed transportation system, we have the hopper. Beside me is a 1.5-ton hopper. The hopper is used to store the feed from the silo before we transfer into the chicken farm. Normally, it's also suitable for smaller farms with less capacity that won't be using the silo. They can store their feed in the hopper. As we know, we have the back feed and also our silo feed. So the hopper also can provide our customer an extra choice to choose whether they want to use the silo feed or the back feed. Next we have is the 50 kg mini hopper. The mini hopper is where we store the feed from the hopper before we transfer into the pen feeders. Each of the mini hopper has a sensor attached to them that will be stopping or continuing the feed when the feed is full or when the feed is empty. Here we have is the end pen and the motor reducer. The motor reducer, it was drive the auger of our feeding line that will be transferring our feed from the mini hopper until the end pen. The end pen, as you know, is the final pen of the feeding line. Inside the end pen here, we have a sensor that will be switching off the feeding line when the pen is fully filled of feed. Next we have is our pen feeding system. Here we have is our patent design pen feeder. It's called the Unicorn. As you can see, the design here is to prevent feed wastage from the bird when they are packing the feed. Also, the ribs and the space is to prevent the small bird from entering the pens. What if we want to change our pen for some maintenance? Fear not. Each of the pen feeders have their own cap. So we just need to close it out, open, take it out, ta-da, just like that. And with a simple, it's locked back on. One of the highlights of the pen is the variable height adjuster. With this, the pen feeder height will be automatically adjust with the height of the feeder line. This is our nipple drinking system. As you can see, for each nipple we have a cup with the nipple. The cup is there to prevent the water droplets from the nipple from dropping down to the wood shaving, therefore keeping our wood shaving dry and clean. The hanger of the nipple line is made out of aluminium. The aluminium is a corrosion resistive material and is also lightweight, therefore causing less stress on our winch system. Here we have is the pressure regulator. The pressure regulator has a flushing function that will help us to flush our nipple lines, and also a pressure adjust to adjust the pressure, water pressure in our nipple line. We can adjust the pressure based on the vent kit by observing the red balls inside the vent kit. The pressure regulator ensure that the nipple line has sufficient pressure from front to end. Therefore, each of the bird has optimal supply of water for the whole cycle. Lastly, automated systems help us to save our time and labor, as we do not need to fill the feed pan by pan, the water bottle by bottle, as this greatly improves the efficiency of our day-to-day farm operations. Here, I would like to end my introduction for our automated system for today. Thanks for watching and goodbye.